from January to December. Go! Ayan, go. Arrange nyo sila. Ayan, mag-usap-usap kayo. January sa gitna, December sa dulo. Sa katumunta. Ayan, sige, arrange din. Sam, happy birthday pag tapos na. Arrange your alaga. Sige, pila. Sam, happy birthday! Sige, ayusin nyo ha, baka mali sila. Okay, first month. Tita, anong buwan siya, tita? Anong buwan? December. Ano to? Baliktad. Dito umpisa sa gitna. January to December. Okay. Sa gitna, December. January to December. Okay, dito, let me check. February, May, July, October. November. Ano ba? Hindi maalam. Some person may October din. Okay. 1 point for team number 1. Okay, 1 point for you guys. Next round. Sa gitna, umpisa ha. Papunta sa likod. Okay, ready? Yayas, arrange yourselves according to your age. Yaya ha, hindi alaga. Go! Ilan nyo, Yaya? From youngest to oldest. Sa gitna, pinakabata. Sa likod. Shout happy birthday! Di ba yun? Shout happy birthday! Okay. Dali ha. Sige. Kanina pa sila ayun, pero hindi alam kung tama. Ilang taon? 20, 31, 21, 31. Ay, ginoo ko dahil lugay ka na din sa Manila. Balik. Okay. Dito. Ikaw, 16. 16 ka lang dahil. 16. 19. 33. Never mind. Okay, secret. Secret yung dalawa sa dulo. You got 1 point! Okay, we have a tie. All one. Saan yung isa? Saan ka dito, Yaya? Hindi ka naman sinisisi. Ay, mali. Okay lang. Yaya, wala kang day off next week. Mali, Yaya. Bakit yung alaga mo? Ayaw mo na. Sige, we need one more, Yaya, kasi kulang. One more, Yaya. One more. Sino po ba? Or Mami. Pwede si Mami. Mami or Yaya. Sige, we need one more. 1 all ha, 1 all. Sige, raise 3 na lang para mabilis. Unang maka 3 points. We need 1 more. 1 more, Mommy or Yaya. With you. 1 more. Mommy, ikaw na lang. Ayan, dala mo pala. Please, one. Come here, Mommy. Yan. Go. Ayan, please, good. Ayaw. Sige, ito si Mommy. Ayan. Join your mom, ha? 1 all. Okay, already? Yan. Okay, 1 all. Next round. Yayas, please arrange your alaga according to their name alphabetically from A to Z. Go! Yan, arrange their name alphabetically from A to Z. Shout happy birthday! Wala kang sumisigaw. Shout happy birthday! Na silang sumigaw. Sure na kayo? Sige. First name. Erin, letter E. Letter K. Ano to? Kyle. Ito, paras K. L. O-N. Okay. You got 2 points. Yan, 2-1. Next round. Yayas. Mommy, please arrange yourselves this time. Your name alphabetically from A to Z. Go! Pangalan ni Yaya. Mommy. Go, go, go. A to Z, ha? Come on, shout happy birthday! Okay, nauna team number 1. First name. B. C. Donna. D. G. L. You got 2 points. Okay, we have a tie. 2 all. This is the last round. Okay, last round na to, ha? Yayas, arrange your kids according to their favorite food. Alphabetically from A to Z. Go! Favorite food ng mga bata. Isa baby. Sige. Shout happy birthday! Shout happy birthday when you're done! Unang sumigaw dito. Let me check muna dito. Saan yung muna? Ito. Favorite food. What is your favorite food, darling? Ha? Ice cream! Ikaw? Ha? Adobo! Oh, mali. Hindi mo na magsinungaling ng mga bata. Favorite food, darling? Chicken. Ice cream. Egg. Mali. Baliktad kayo. Egg, ice cream. Okay, no points. Oh, next round. Oh, next round. Oh, let's move a little bit here. Team number 1. Yan, may one there. Okay, oh, next round. This is the last round, ha? One more point na lang. We have a tie. Okay, ready? Yayas, please arrange your alaga according to their middle name from A to Z. Middle name, ha? Go. Middle name is Charlie. Shout happy birthday! Shout happy birthday! Okay, ito unang sumigaw. Middle name. Asuncion. Beltran B. C. S. Yaneza Y. We have a winner! November team number 1! Pero don't worry, we'll also get a prize. One step forward. One step forward. Yan. Oh, winners muna. 2 surprise right there. Go. Samahan niyo sila. Yan. Samahan